Welcome to today's data visualization problem. In this scenario, we are faced with the challenge of displaying percentage values on a bar plot in R. The problem lies in positioning the labels accurately on the bars, especially when some bars are longer than others. It can be quite tricky to ensure that all labels are visible and in the right place. Now, let's delve into the solution that will help us overcome this hurdle. By utilizing the geometry_label function with position_stack, we can precisely position the percentage values on the bars. Setting just equals 1 ensures that the labels are aligned to the right, while just equals 0 places them at the top of each bar. Additionally, by adjusting the aesthetics and parameters, such as fill equals NA and label.size equals 0, we can eliminate any unnecessary elements like the box around the label. It's all about optimizing the display for maximum clarity and effectiveness. In summary, we have successfully addressed the challenge of displaying percentage values on a bar plot, ensuring that all labels are prominently featured on the bars. By strategically using geometry_label and adjusting the parameters, we have achieved a visually appealing and informative visualization. I hope you found the solution helpful and insightful for your own data visualization projects. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts on this problem-solving journey.